Hey, today I'm going to tie a hopper using Togens Hopper Foam. It's double laminated. There's 4 colors at the moment. We have brown in the middle, yellow, green, orange in the middle, green, brown, yellow in the middle, 2 different shades of green, and orange in the middle, brown, yellow. So you can fish those either way. You can have brown down for your silhouette or yellow. You can have whichever side indicator up or silhouette facing down that you like. There's a lot of ways to tie a hopper, so I'm just going to do a real simple one. I'm going to use the green today, the green foam. So I'm just going to lay some 140 floral green thread. I'm just going to put thread over the hook and hide the hook. I'm not going to use dubbing or Chanel or anything. Okay, now that I have my thread down, I'm going to come in with my foam. I'm going to do the darker side down. Do a couple loose wraps. I'm gonna do 3. Just see that everything sits where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna crank down on it with a few more wraps. Right, then tag as long as you want it here. Alright, it's all my thread, and then I definitely go back and glue it in place. I don't like it to rotate on the hook at all, so hit it with a little super glue. Alright, there you have it. There's a quick little hopper fly. Of course, you can put a pair wing on it, you can put some eyes on it, you can put some dots on it, you can trim the tail. There's a million ways you can do this. You could add some elk hair underneath. You could dub the hook underneath or put Chanel on it instead of thread like I did. So anyway, we just came up with these strips, just trying to make it easy and quick to tie up some hoppers, take away the hassle of gluing it and cutting it, just make it easy for people to tie up some quick little hoppers. All right.